Misfit from TikTok asks, can tight pecs cause shoulder issues? Of course it can. Tight pecs, the number one problem tight pecs causes is rotator cuff impingement. Because the pecs are so tight, they pull the shoulder down, rotate it inwards, and cause a movement disorder that leads to tears in the rotator cuff, which ultimately prevents you from being able to lift your shoulder up. It also can lead to pain in the front of the shoulder that runs down the arm into the fingers. So yeah, of course it can. One piece of advice for tight pecs: the best way to stretch it is a combination of a dead hang, where all you do is you hang on to a bar and pull down, and working your lateral extensors. Okay, if you go on YouTube, there are hundreds of exercises that work on that, but likely for most people the problems need actual intervention. So rather just come to us if you find that this stuff doesn't work. Don't waste your money and time doing more exercises because you need our help. Go to paincenter.co.za.